When a loved one is far from home and in need of medical care, safe transportation becomes the biggest concern. Today, Dr. Paulina Villa, our medical director, walks us through how we arrange medical escort services, from assessment to arrival.
Our process begins with thorough medical evaluation. We focus on key factors like patient's oxygen and pain levels, mobility, heart stability, neurological status, whether they require continuous monitoring, risks of in-flight deterioration. Our goal is to determine if the patient is stable enough to fly, what equipment they will need, and if a commercial flight is medically safe. Many patients can safely travel on a commercial flight when accompanied by a trained medical escort. Typical conditions include patients with fractures, stroke patients who are stable, post-surgery patients requiring monitoring, patients needing oxygen support, elderly patients with mobility issues or cognitive impairments, patients with chronic conditions who cannot travel alone, stable respiratory cases requiring continuous oxygen or nebulizers, cancer patients requiring comfort care. More serious cases with unstable vitals require air ambulance transport instead. Once fit to fly, our team arranges every detail: airline medical forms, seat arrangements, oxygen supply, medication, and mobility support. On the travel day, the escort meets the patient at the hospital, performs final checks, and accompanies them to the airport. Throughout the flight, the escort monitors vitals, manages medications, ensures comfort, and handles any potential complications. At the destination, the escort coordinates with ambulance crews or receiving hospitals, providing a full medical handover to ensure continuity of care. Through expert assessment, careful planning, and compassionate care, medical escorts make long-distance travel safe for patients who cannot travel alone. Our team is here to support your families every step of the way.